guys, I'm back with another dip powder mani. So in today's video we will be using dip powder from Color My World Dips, and I do have on one coat of UNT Peel Off base coat, and this color is Rebellious Rose. Nice vibrant pink. I'm also using my Color My World Dips precision tool and nail brush, and along with the Odorless dip liquids. You guys know these are one of my favorite Odorless dip liquids. You cannot go wrong with these liquids. I'm telling you, if you try them, let me know what you think about them, because I like them. And so I have the Odorless base coat, top coat, and then this is the regular activator for my regular dip liquid set. And so I will be using a disposable nail tray. I got these off Amazon. I won't recommend these. I got like a big bag that I need to go through because they're hard to pull apart. But you know, they're easy to use yet hard to pull apart. But look at that nice vibrant color. This is a one color mani, so I will not be showing all nails, but I have also changed the shape of the nails on my left hand. I'm thinking about keeping that shape versus the round, going back to square. So we'll see. Again, I'm not that good at filing. I do the best that I can do, and I also think I'm going to keep them at this length, or try to for some time. They're just easier to work with. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. This is one coat on all 5 nails. Look how nice that pink is. I just thought it was pretty. I don't know. I'm really not a pink person, but because blue's my favorite, but I do love a bright pink nail. That's just me. Looks so good. And so I'm going in with my second coat. And y'all, I was running out of my Odorless dip base, and so I end up having to turn the jar upside down to get the rest out of it, and out of the container. So and that's here where I'm like, what? It's like nothing's getting on the nail, and I was like, wait a minute, am I running out of base? And so I end up tilting the bottle basically upside down to get base on my brush. That did the job, but this bottle was gone. So I end up, after this mani, throwing it away. I do have backup Odorless dip powder, not dip powder, dip powder base, yes, from Color My World Dips. Get yourself together, y'all. It's Friday night and I'm watching 2020. It's kind of crazy what's on here. They'll have you low-key scared if you're not careful. But I'm just I end up throwing that bottle away because I do have a backup. I think I've ordered these Odorless dip liquids at least twice because I like them that much. Just me. sometimes, well, not at sometimes you guys will see me dip my finger, lay it flat again in the dip powder, and that's just because with odorless dip liquids, they take a little longer to dry, and so I'm just sticking my finger back in the powder so that the dip base can soak up that dip powder and dry. And so I'm brushing off excess dip powder, cleaning everything up, and then I'm going to go in and apply 2 coats of activator, and then I will allow my nails to dry 2 to 5 minutes to give time for my dip powder to harden, and I'll go in and do my filing and buffing off camera. I've done my filing and buffing, removed the excess filing and buffing dust from my nails, and sprayed them with water and wiped them down with a paper towel. And so I'm going in and applying Color My World Dips Activator to all nails. And then typically I immediately go in with a lint-free cloth of some type. The directions say apply and dry for 2 minutes. I don't. It works fine, but the directions are on the bottle. And so I am taking a lint-free cloth or wipe, and I am wiping any excess activator off of my nails, and then I'm going to go in and apply 2 coats of top coat. I'm going to apply the first layer. The directions say wait a minute. By the time you get to the other nail, so by the time you do all 5 nails, it's probably a minute has already passed. And so I'm going with 3 swipes across the length and the width of my nails. It's easier because they're shorter. And so I'm wiping my brush on a lint-free paper towel or wipe before I place it back in the bottle. And just because if there's any activator on the nail and you put that brush back into the bottle, you're going to contaminate your dip top coat. And then I'm going to go in with a second coat of dip powder top coat. Once that dried down, I'm going in and applying a decal. Now, y'all, I was running out of time. It was time for me to eat dinner because my husband was nice enough to cook, which we typically eat out on Sundays, but he cooked this particular Sunday that I did my nails. And so I'm cutting out these water decals that I purchased from Shein. This was part of my Shein nail haul, if I'm not mistaken. You'll have to check that video out if you haven't done so. You can get some good stuff from Shein for the low. And so I'm removing the plastic topper that came on there, and then instead of using sticky base coat, y'all, I'm using this foil adhesive. It doesn't require any type of gel or anything like that. It goes on, paints on the nail like glue, and when it's ready to be used, or you're ready to apply whatever you want to your nail, it dries clear. And so I give that some time to dry clear. I stick it in front of my desk USB fan that I always have going. I'm spraying the decal with water, and usually it takes about maybe 10 to 15 seconds for the decal to be released from the paper. I am picking that up with my stamper and placing that on the nail. Now, this is not what I really wanted to put on my nails, but I didn't want to leave them plain. Y'all know I have to do something a little extra. I'm smoothing that out, and then I'll go in and apply 2 coats of Color My World Dips HEMA Free Gel Top Coat, where a UV LED lamp is required in order to cure the gel. And so again, nice and shiny. The other nails have just regular dip powder top coat, and my ring finger has gel polish top coat. And I'm applying this cuticle oil from CN Designer Dips. And so guys, if you found value, please like this video, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. I thought this color was beautiful, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next week.